Alright guys, hope you're having a nice Saturday so far. I'm getting ready to actually go get a haircut. It's really dark in here. I have to get a haircut, as you can see. Yeah, I look pretty shaggy, so I'm gonna go do that and probably be just feeling a lot better because I feel pretty crazy right now. So here's a before, and let's go with an after. And after? Feels better. My head feels lighter, I think. I don't know. It's hard to say. Alright, let's go Bolts.
Guy out there.
Who's going to get it?
The third star of the game for the Minnesota Wild, number 11, Zach Parisi. Tonight's second star of the game from your Tampa Bay Lightning, number 17, Alex. And now let's go to Michelle Zubra, tonight's